Welcome, travel enthusiasts, to a journey into the heart of scenic Mexico, a land where every vista tells a story. As we set off on this adventure, let's appreciate the sheer diversity of Mexico's landscapes. Picture sprawling sandy beaches, where the turquoise waves of the Pacific Ocean kiss the shore. Imagine lush jungles, teeming with a symphony of life, where the air hums with the whispers of age-old trees. Envision towering mountains, their peaks shrouded in mystery and often cloaked in a blanket of snow. And don't forget the sprawling deserts, their rugged beauty a testament to nature's resilience. In this video, we'll be exploring 5 of Mexico's most scenic areas: the Mayan Riviera, with its pristine beaches and rich cultural heritage; Copper Canyon, a marvel of geological beauty; Oaxaca, a city that echoes with history; Guanajuato, a riot of color and tradition; and the Monarch Butterfly Biosphere Reserve, a spectacle of nature that is truly awe-inspiring. So buckle up, as we embark on this exciting journey through Mexico's breathtaking landscapes. Imagine a place where turquoise waters meet pristine white sands. Welcome to the Mayan Riviera. This is a stretch of coastline on the northeastern Yucatan Peninsula, where the Caribbean Sea laps against Mexico's eastern shore. It's a place of stunning natural beauty and fascinating history, where the ancient and the modern coexist in perfect harmony. The Mayan Riviera is a place of contrasts: crystal clear waters that range from deep cobalt blue to vibrant aquamarine, where colorful coral reefs teem with diverse marine life. Here, snorkelers and divers can explore an underwater world that's as rich and varied as the landscape above. From playful dolphins to majestic sea turtles, the waters of the Mayan Riviera are a haven for creatures great and small. But it's not just the waters that attract visitors from around the world. The white sands of the Mayan Riviera are as fine as sugar, and they're the perfect place to enjoy the warm Caribbean sun. Whether you're lounging on the beach with a good book or building sand castles with little ones, the beaches here are a little slice of heaven on earth. And then there's the history. The Mayan Riviera is named after the ancient civilization that once thrived here, and their legacy is everywhere. From the imposing ruins of Tulum, perched on a cliff overlooking the sea, to the hidden temple of Coba nestled deep in the jungle, the ancient Mayans have left their mark on this land. Exploring these sites is like stepping back in time, and they provide a fascinating glimpse into a culture that was both highly sophisticated and deeply connected to nature. The Mayan Riviera is also home to a number of charming coastal towns, each with its own unique character. From the bustling beach town of Playa del Carmen with its vibrant nightlife and trendy boutiques, to the laid-back island vibe of Cozumel, there's a place here for every kind of traveler. Indeed, the Mayan Riviera is a tropical paradise unlike any other. From the tropical coasts, we journey to the rugged heartlands, to the awe-inspiring Copper Canyon. As we set foot in Mexico's wild interior, we find ourselves in the midst of a grand spectacle that overshadows even the famed Grand Canyon. Yes, you heard it right. Copper Canyon, or Barranca del Cobre, is a series of massive canyons that together span an area larger and deeper than the Grand Canyon. A sight to behold indeed. Imagine this: dramatic cliffs that change hues with the sun's position, plunging into deep ravines. From certain viewpoints, the sheer drop can make your heart skip a beat, while the grandeur of the landscape fills you with awe. It's a symphony of nature's contrasts. The rugged beauty of the canyons juxtaposed against the lush green valleys that cradle sparkling rivers and waterfalls. Yet this breathtaking landscape is not just a feast for the eyes. It is also home to the Tarahumara Indians, known in their language as the Raramuri, or those who run fast. Living in caves, under cliffs, and in small wood or stone cabins, the Tarahumara are known for their incredible long-distance running ability, often covering hundreds of miles in the treacherous terrain of the canyons. Their vibrant culture and simple lifestyle add a unique charm to the wild beauty of Copper Canyon. The region also offers an array of adventurous activities, from hiking and horseback riding to zip lining and rock climbing. For those who prefer a more laid-back exploration, the Chihuahua al Pacifico Railway, also known as El Chepe, offers a scenic ride through the canyons, showcasing the awe-inspiring landscape from a different perspective. Copper Canyon is a testament to the power of nature, its ability to sculpt spectacular landscapes over millennia, and its capacity to support human life in the most challenging environments. It's a place where the spirit of adventure intertwines with the tranquility of nature, making every visit an unforgettable experience. Copper Canyon, a testament to nature's dramatic artistry. From the Grand Canyons, we travel to the culturally rich states of Oaxaca and Guanajuato. Landing in Oaxaca, the first thing you notice is the cityscape, bursting with color. An artist's palette come to life. The city is a patchwork of pastel-hued buildings, each one a different, vibrant shade. But the color doesn't stop at the buildings. The markets are a sensory overload of bright fabrics, fresh fruits, and the warm hues of traditional pottery. As you meander through the city streets, you'll find yourself surrounded by history. Oaxaca's colonial architecture tells tales of bygone eras, with each building more splendid than the last. The Santo Domingo Church, for instance, is an impressive sight with its Baroque facade and ornate interior, a testament to the city's rich past. But Oaxaca's beauty extends beyond the city limits. Venture further and you'll find rolling hills and lush valleys, punctuated by the occasional ancient ruin. These ruins, remnants of the Zapotec civilization, are an awe-inspiring sight, a silent testament to the region's deep-rooted history. Our journey continues to Guanajuato, another state famed for its colorful cityscape. Here, the buildings climb the hillsides, creating a cascading effect of color that's visible from miles away. Roaming the winding streets is like stepping into a storybook, with each turn revealing a new enchanting sight. Guanajuato's markets are a similar hive of activity, with vendors selling everything from handcrafted jewelry to traditional sombreros. And let's not forget the food, a mouth-watering array of local specialties that are as much a feast for the eyes as they are for the palate. Like Oaxaca, Guanajuato is steeped in history. Its colonial architecture, particularly the Basilica of Our Lady of Guanajuato, is a sight to behold. And the surrounding scenic beauty, with its green valleys and rugged hills, provides a stunning backdrop to this vibrant city. But perhaps what makes Oaxaca and Guanajuato truly special is the way they blend culture and scenic beauty. Here, ancient ruins sit amidst verdant landscapes, vibrant markets buzz in the shadow of colonial buildings, and traditional customs thrive amidst modern life. It's a place where past and present coexist, creating a vibrant tapestry that's as beautiful as it is intriguing. Oaxaca and Guanajuato, where culture and scenic beauty intertwine in a vibrant tapestry. Finally, we arrive at a place of enchanting beauty and wonder, the Monarch Butterfly Biosphere Reserve. Nestled among forested mountains in the heart of Mexico, the Monarch Butterfly Biosphere Reserve stands as a testament to nature's most captivating spectacles. Imagine, if you will, millions upon millions of monarch butterflies, their delicate wings a vivid blend of orange and black, blanketing the sky in a dynamic canvas of color. It's as if the very air has been painted with the strokes of an artist's brush, each butterfly a drop of paint adding to this mesmerizing masterpiece. The butterflies gather here between November and March, journeying thousands of miles from North America to escape the winter chill. Their arrival transforms the reserve into a living, breathing work of art. The trees, usually green and serene, become adorned with these winged jewels, their branches bending under the weight of countless butterflies. The sight of these trees, teeming with life, is one to behold. But it's not just the spectacle of butterflies that makes this reserve so special. It's the sense of awe you feel standing amidst the forested mountains, the crisp air filled with the gentle fluttering of wings, the hushed whispers of the forest, punctuated by the occasional bird call, the rustling of leaves underfoot, and the soft sigh of the wind, all contribute to a unique sensory experience that is both tranquil and exhilarating. As you walk through the reserve, you'll find yourself immersed in a world where nature reigns supreme. Every corner of the reserve is a testament to the resilience of these tiny creatures and their incredible journey. It's a place that reminds us of the wonders of nature and the delicate balance that exists within it. A visit to the Monarch Butterfly Biosphere Reserve is not just a walk through a forest, it's a journey into a world of color, life, and wonder. As you leave, you'll carry with you memories of a spectacle that few places on Earth can match, and a newfound appreciation for the beauty and resilience of these remarkable creatures. A visit to the Monarch Butterfly Biosphere Reserve is truly a magical experience. And so, our journey through scenic Mexico comes to an end. We've marveled at the Mayan Riviera's turquoise waters, gazed into the depths of Copper Canyon, and wandered through the vibrant streets of Oaxaca and Guanajuato. We've even witnessed the fluttering spectacle of the Monarch Butterfly Biosphere Reserve. Truly, Mexico's landscapes offer a breathtaking diversity. Now we're eager to hear from you. Which corner of the globe should we explore next? Please share in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe to journey with us. Until next time, keep exploring.